Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing how to paint a designer saree. In this I have taken the theme of dance and I am doing the outline of the hands as you can see. I take order works and teach online professional courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. First I have done the skin tone and then I have done the shading of the hands. On this saree I have done the figures of Kuchipudi dance and faces which you can see in my other tutorial videos which I will be posting soon. You can take the color combinations according to the saree color and the background. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques in black and white of 65 pages. Those interested can buy. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques and tutorials. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.